Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So previously we are discussing about UUID of a disk. So we have learned about lsblk command. You will see the disk, okay, and blkaid command to show the ID of that, but I am not a root user, that's why I am not getting that thing. blkaid. Okay, we got UUID of the disk. And if you see etcfs tab, we find this UID against the /UID partition and /boot partition. So now we'll discuss why we created this UID. Okay, see, I have been told this is for the security reason, but yesterday while working on this, I recognize if I am putting this in a fs tab with the UID, still lsblk will show the disk name and df-h will show the disk name. So what's the use? S tab. So uses is if disk is lsblk. Okay. Currently we are having SDA, SDB. Okay. In SDB we are having a B1, B2, B5 and B6. So it's totally dependent on the sequence. So think about, let me show you something. MS Paint. So how our servers work, like we are having one server. Okay, let me draw. We are having one server. Okay, on this server we will have two disks, SDA, SDB. Okay, and these are the empty slot. So let me design a disk here. In this slot we are having disk SDA, and here we are having SDB, and this slot is empty. So due to some hardware problem, this slot got some problem. Okay, so what we did, we remove a disk from this slot and place it here. Now disk naming convention in OS will get changed SDA1 SDC1 because B is allocated to this, which is not working. So at that time when you boot the system will not come up. It will throw an error, unable to find disk SDB. But if we have mapped this in a FS tab using a UUID number, whatever the naming convention, UUID will not change for a particular file system. Even if it is SDB or SDC, this name will be same. So for that condition, we are using UUID in FS tab. So even if this name is getting changed, then also system will boot up with the proper file system. So that's the complete requirement of this. Because it is FS tab, this is the UUID we are having, and lsblk. So if I change the disk from SDB to SDC, then also this UID will remain same because UID assigned to that particular file system. It will never change until unless you are not making some, like you are not changing your drive. Okay, so that's the use of UID number. Hope you like this video and it is adding information to your knowledge. Keep watching, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.